Oh, really?
Fix it, yeah.
Oh, see.
They use it for toys to fix the like little plastic cars
Uh-huh.
to make the windshield of the car shiny.
I see.
Okay, so this is the thing we need. So open up your phone here. I don't know if this is such a good idea.
Yeah.
So that's up to you. It's your toy. So to open up your phone.
I order gold color.
Nice.
Nice. So,
Oh, wait
it
before.
should be charged, right?
Doesn't matter. You can plug into my USB.
Okay.
I want to show you something first.
Okay.
I want to show you my doggy.
Your doggy. Where is your doggy?
It was right here. So
Oh.
look, you see this rock?
Yeah.
That's the rock right there.
Ah, bear.
Yeah, this was this morning.
Ooh, small bear.
See him?
Oh, looks delicious.
It's very cute, right?
Yeah.
It's little. You're bigger than this bear.
Ooh.
Yeah, so this is a young one.
Ah. Can I use this one?
Right here.
Oh, I don't know. Different size. Oh.
No, it's USB. Oh, that's US. How come it's?
USC?
Oh, hold on. Do you have your charger?
No.
You don't have your charger?
No.
Let me see if I have a charger.
Oh, plastic.
Didn't come with a charger in the box?
No,
How is that possible?
because from iPhone 12, they decided not provide this charger with a low price. Like if I wanna.
All right. Well, I don't have that. I don't have a USB-C in. I only have regular USB.
Okay.
I just don't have it. I'm sorry. Okay, but it should be charged. It should be okay. They send them with a charge.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know how. But
So
good.
the employee who think about without the charger, he got a best employee reward in Apple company
Okay.
because they can save money to ship with a small size.
Right. So that's the cheaper version.
Yeah.
So this goes in. Let's go get something. I'll be right back. Can I see? it on.
Oh, good. Should I use this one or this one?
Well, you have to. I don't know which one you want to put in. That's up to you. I don't know. Once you put it in there, you can follow the instructions on how to set it up. So which one are you going to put in?
It I order for 3 months. It together.
Okay.
Maybe it this one.
I don't know.
So what does it mean this one? Activating this SIM card may result in saving.
That's a joke.
Joke?
Yeah, they're saying that if you use this, you'll save money.
This one? This one.
Okay. I'm not gonna make you're a big girl. You're an adult. You can decide this.
Okay. How can I cut it?
Oh, it's just glued on there.
Good.
Okay.
Good. Done. Have you seen the video?
I don't. I just watched the video how to put that thing in. It's just to make sure that there wasn't anything weird about it.